Have you started using Power BI and discovered it's a bit more complicated than you first thought? Maybe you've struggled getting the data in. Maybe you've struggled with making the reports look nice. Or maybe others have created the reports for you and you're just not sure what to do with them. If you have run into these or similar roadblocks, you're not alone. Hi, I'm Carlos Chacon, founder of SQL Data Partners, and our mission is to eliminate the pain of working with data so you can do more. Asking for outside help can sometimes be challenging, but getting a helping hand to get past the blocker can go a long way. SQL Data Partners doesn't take a one-size-fits-all approach. We can help with the heavy lifting, or we can provide a light touch to help you move faster. And we don't just do the work for you. A successful engagement with SQL Data Partners will improve your team's knowledge with Power BI. So let us help you move your project forward and get more tasks to the done column. At SQL Data Partners, we teach and share our knowledge through webinars, conference talks, and our podcast. We know our stuff and we know how to teach it. Find us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then visit us at sqldatapartners.com to get the conversation started.
SQL Data Partners.